Hello everyone, I'm Gary from Zhengzhou Safute Electronic Equipment Company Limited. Today, I will make a brief introduction of our LG2000 Anorectal Treating Device, which is belong to high-frequency bipolar and monopolar device treating anorectal disease. Well, now I will show you how to install and operate the device. Firstly, connect the power line. The power line port is in the back panel of the unit. Then, connect the foot switch. The foot switch port is also in the back of the unit. Now, we connect the pincers with the pincers wire. Please be careful for the wire connector. Just push the stainless into the pincers connector. When you plug out the line, please do not plug the blue wire. Just pull out the stainless parts in case to broken the wire. Then, connect the pincers line to the port of the unit. The pincers port in the side of the unit and they are green color. And put the pincers here. Then, we connect the electronic forceps. Plus the forceps into the connector. Then, connect the forceps line to the port of the unit. The forceps port is yellow color. Put the forceps here. Then, connect electrosurgical pencil. The pencil port is blue color. Well, now, all accessories are connected successfully. Then I will show you how to operate. Firstly, turn on the power. Now, you can see our operation screen. You can see Welcome interface and a Help button. You may press Help button to see User's menu. Please read it carefully before operation. Then, press Enter into the operation system. This is the pincer button. This is the forceps button and the pencil button. This is a current window and this is a pencil power window. Choose different button can choose different accessory functions. Okay, I will introduce how to use these accessories. Firstly, this is our BEAM pincers, our patent pincer. Firstly, press the pincer button. Then, preparation for clamming the hemorrhoid tissues. Step on the foot switch. Then the device starts to work. The device will sound alarm seconds automatically. Then move foot from the foot switch. If you want to use our electronic forceps, now press the forceps button and clamp the small bleeding vessels. Step on the foot switch. The device will sound alarm when the bleeding is arrested. Then move foot from the foot switch. If you want to use electrosurgical pencil, now choose the pencil button. Adjust the power point, usually from 15 watts to 20 watts as you want. Then you can use the pencil to exercise the anchor for morbid parts. Step on the foot switch. After you exercise all the morbid parts, move foot from the foot switch. Our electronic pencil can create 1.3 MHz current. and do not let the current go through the body, which is do not need negative plate. It is very safe for the patients. Well, these are all the operations of the device. After treatment, please turn off the power, and then put all the accessories and the wires into the accessory box in the back of the unit. Okay, this is the introduction of our LG2000 treating device. If you want to know more about or are interested in our products, please contact us freely. Thank you.